Hey, Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, I hope that you're doing well today. I've been chillaxing. Yeah, I really have been. I'm drinking a homemade version of, what is it called? The pink drink from Starbucks, and it's delicious. I put cayenne pepper in it. Cayenne? No, chili pepper powder, flakes. I don't know, but I still have not gotten all of this, you know, completely taken down. But who has all of their Christmas decorations taken down by, you know, New Year's? So hey, I know you want to look at my drink, but my eyes are up here. I haven't done anything this morning though. I have 2 days off, tomorrow and the next day. Today I go to work, but I mean, I'm gonna try and go to bed early, I think, and then when I go to bed early, I'm gonna go ahead and just get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, because I love getting up early. But today, right now, I'm gonna open these. I don't know though, I have 3 of them. They've just kind of been sitting here. And yeah, so, but if you want me to open this one, the Star Wars next, comment down below. If you want me to open the Doctor Who next, comment down below which one you want me to open. This one has a Spider-Man and Hulk Dallas Times Herald comic books, which I have another one. I have this one, which I don't think they have like numbers on them, so I think they're just like individual stories and stuff, but they're Singer Harris complimentary copies. This is the back to school edition. And then this is Southwest Showdown of some sort, which looks like pretty fun. Maybe has a mall involved. Oh, they both have the same building. They both have this building on them, which must be the actual Sanger Harris building. Please, if you guys are from Texas, I'm assuming that's where this is from. Yeah. If y'all are from Dallas, what is Sanger Harris? Or if you're not from Dallas and you know, tell me down below, because I don't know what it is, and I have yet to look up what Sanger Harris is. Anyways, so this is the first book right here, just like I said, because they're not blind, like completely. You can see the front and the back one. This is The Notorious Sandman Goes to Dallas. His mission, pipeline to peril. Pretty cute. It's a back to school edition, like I said. And yeah, it's got the Hulk and it's got Spider-Man. We have the first 2 pages right here of this very old comic book. It smells like an antique shop, and I absolutely love it. I don't see any date, and all of the ads are like things like this, but maybe someone can date from the fashion. Very cute stuff. Okay, oh, okay. I don't know what this is. This is what I see. I'm not gonna look at the back either. Like, it's gonna be a surprise for both of us, but it's definitely a Nick in 3D ad, and it's looking like this is gonna be from 1997. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. So I think I have this one. I'm pretty sure I have this one. Interestingly enough, because I didn't get it out of one of these packs. I just had it, unless this is like a common character, like there's a series on her or whatever, and this is the type of cover that she always has. I have this one next. It's got a protective cardboard on it. JLA, Justice League of America. It's 104th. Green Lantern's going at it down there. So yeah, do I open it? Should I open this? It's not in any mint condition at all. Ooh, Magic the Gathering. Right there. This is recent, right? That ad on the back said 2004. I'm not very much into the Justice League, to be honest, and this storyline looks like it's probably pretty heavy. So I'm not gonna go too far into this, but so I just looked this one up. It's about like going for $10. I don't know what condition that one was in, but I'm gonna get better at this one day. But yeah, so I don't have a lot of time. I'm gonna flop that over there. We have this one right here with the original AirPods, I suppose. Doesn't have a date on it, and the comic is Fusion. Oh, cute! Cyberforce, Hunter Killer, Avengers, and Thunderbolt. Oh, it's the first one. Very cool. I love a good beginning. Or even a bad one, to be honest. I don't know. Yeah, so we got this. Okay, 2008. We have computer art, you know? It seems like it's a trend. No one's really hand drawing anymore. Or they're hand drawing on their computer. Pinky's up. Anyways, this is the next one I have. It's got, you know, vertical reality. No date really. 1994 actually. Nintendo Power. Oh, Vortex. FX. Super FX. Whoa! Super FX right here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yes. Actually, I prefer this, to be honest. Okay, anyways, it's very thin. Literally, I think this is only 5 pages. It's issue number 0. And that's pretty cool. But cute. Okay. Free comic books based on Electro Brain's hot new video game Vortex. Cool. It's an ad. So I have this one right here. Next up. Oh, sorry. It's upside down. X Factor. Number 207. Direct edition. What does direct edition mean? Can someone tell me? I'm lazy. I don't look things up often. It looks like it's from 2010. It's got UFC fighters on the back. You know, lost souls in it, I guess. Or is that the name of this particular comic? That is the first page. So, this one definitely looks in just gotten condition. That's how words are spoken. So definitely going back in here. And this is the next comic book, Shotgun Wedding. Okay. It's also number 1. It's pretty thick too. But like, I don't know. Whoa, I feel like this is very Kill Bill-esque looking. It's Top Cow Universe. Does anybody know that? Looks like it's about a guy that's a professional sniper. Whole thing's in black and white, by the way. Very interesting. Is it? Might be Kill Bill-esque. I don't know. at the wedding and the killing, you know, that's where my brain goes. Ew, this one's kind of crusty. It's from 2014. It's got cute stuff on the back of it, but I don't know if you can see at the bottom. Wait, Star Wars? They did the thing with scholastics, apparently. Anyways, I think I got one of these Skywards in the last one of these comic book unboxings I made. This is number 8, so that's pretty cool. Maybe I could keep going and just eventually have the whole series. This one has definitely been through some stuff. Oh, why would you give me this? Oh gosh, it smells moldy. It's going in the trash. I don't care who you are. This is in its original packaging, so I'm not taking it out. You can tell because it's moldy. So what is this? Eradicator. Trial by Fire. It's the 3rd one. It's from 96 October. There's a lot of October issues in here. Special new magazine enclosed. On the Edge. Pretty cute. I'm not gonna open it. I want to though. There's a Ralph Lauren polo shirt ad right here. And you got all this. This is On the Edge. Yeah. Smells good now, so that's good. Okay. I put my face on that. I don't know what to do with my life right now, but this is the last one, and I'm gonna go wash my body off. Yeah, Zorro, unmasked. This is really cute. All new, paper cut, number 5. This reminds me of ye old Internet Comics Day. You know, like, what was it? Sluggy Freelance. There was, oh, an Oracle for Hire. Oh my gosh. Are those even still going on? Sluggy Freelance was literally from, like, I don't know, the creation of the internet. It's been up on the internet. So, check that out if you're interested. But yeah, it reminds me of my teenage Photoshop years, in terms of all of this. Very, very 2005 Photoshop. Okay, like you didn't have the fancy stuff, for the fancy things back then. Hope y'all have a good night. Bye. Love you.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you consider liking this video, commenting down below, and or subscribing to this channel. If not, then perhaps sharing the video with a friend or on a social media platform is more to your liking. It would help this channel out considerably. Thank you.